scoop it in. Good evening. Is only students here? Only students can go on the train in the afternoons. Only students.
Every day.
Only students. Only schoolers.
Anybody can.
Oh, how much is it? What's it cost? Okay. No, I'm just inquiring. Cause me no drive connected. So from here to Old Harbor. Okay, same 150. That's good.
Instantly 355.
And specific days or every day?
Monday to Friday.
Okay. How the morning ones go?
My one leave Old Harbor 6:40. Come here. 6:35.
Okay. Nice. I hope it's maintained and keep it up. Not true. Why? Jamaica Railway Corporation. Established 1844. Can you imagine? Go look on the route. That's all. You ever taste this? It tastes like when you blend up punch and put like a dragon in it. Yes, man. So it go. Remember, and apply. You can picture your foreign. You can picture your foreign. By then, it could taste bad cherry. And I left here. I have nowhere going. Only thing I want is a little money. And me alright. Just a little more money. And everything is fine. We are doing there. Right about now, I saw a thing I will get it. See that? See? Salting. That's what we do it. Salting. Why? He might jump out for me. Salt are reaching. See my jump there? I run man, the salt catch him man. I pay jump him a jump all over the place. Get rid of him before he get big. This has always been me. Protect my skin. Plus me can't. I love the sun, but can't manage it. It's hot. It's hot. I feel it a burn me. I wear my sunscreen. I wear my shades. I'm bring my umbrella. Not umbrella. Umbrella. People say you're a dry land tourist, but the sun hot. The sun hot. And people say, oh, watch her show off through she did there foreign. You don't feel the sun? First time. Our 3 o'clock apartment, so I don't know. I wish to enter use me. Okay, right here. Let's see what it's like entering. Hi. Thank you. Oh, sorry about the door. I'm good, thanks. Kadian for my current apartment. Thank you. Credits. Really? No, we pay by debit then. $300 party money. This is how I'm going to be walking.
I thought the same way too.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna send a receipt right.
Alright, no worries.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thanks.
That was an inspiration.
Yeah, and it was good. It wasn't like, oh, that's on Instagram and look at this, you know? It exceeded my expectations actually. It was such an awesome experience. My foot them feel new. Everything just looked nice. Everything was nice.